long, did you?
Holy crap.
You weren't waiting though, were you?
You took so long.
For
I can't
what?
believe it. For you. Come on.
No, I'm on time. I'm
You're
always on
so
time.
late.
What time is it?
I don't know. I was looking for the clock before, and I
Exactly.
didn't
Always
have one.
on time.
Okay. So
what are we doing today anyways?
we're going to do the questions and answers from our lovely subscribers. You guys out there.
We have so many questions ready. I just don't remember where I put them. So,
You didn't bring them.
oh, they are somewhere. I told you, I have them ready.
I thought you were getting them ready. That's your part.
Yeah, but you know, I had to feed the dog, chase the cat. There were some mice at home, and run around like crazy, and then come here.
Holy crap, where do you live? That's
On the farm.
like Jurassic Park or what?
Yeah, it is.
So let's get to the first question, and that would be...
What was the most exciting part about working on the John Deeres?
That's a good question. So we got two of them. They're both running. The best part was... Actually, I thought the painting was really, really satisfying. That was really cool.
Yeah,
What do
that
you
was
think?
that was actually pretty good to film too. I really love the shots that we put into there.
Okay, thanks for that question.
Thank you, subscriber number 2.
So let's go on to question number...
No, there's no number.
Unknown number of questions today. Like, seriously, literally.
Literally.
I didn't say the word. Literally. Like with 3 L's and 2 R's, right?
We're gonna go to the opposite end. What was the biggest challenge that we had in this first John Deere series?
Oh, you're asking me.
No, I'm asking Bill back there. But AJ, come on. You gotta
hi
focus.
Bob. Okay, yeah. Well, what was the question again?
We're gonna move on to the next question. I think that would be better.
Okay.
Are toothpicks mandatory in workshop rebuild?
For sure. Like, if you don't have a toothpick, you're not gonna get it right. You know, it's like this thing just does wonders. Like,
You just don't without a toothpick.
yeah, just don't without, right? Without a toothpick, you can't. It's like don't and can't. So, and thanks to what's this? Mother Nature, we got some toothpicks. Thanks. Applause.
Well, guys, thank you so much for all of your questions. We had a fun time answering them, and we hope that we'll get many more for the next upcoming videos. Stay tuned for future projects. What do we have planned?
Well, we have a lot of projects coming up. And they're going to be coming up very soon. And like in HD. So you better stay put. So.
You forgot your stay tuned. Come on. Stay tuned to Workshop Rebuild.
Stay tuned.